coding is a talent that everyone wants to acquire these days. With the arrival of the epidemic, everything migrated to the internet. As a result, many people began studying online, either through classes or by viewing YouTube videos. Nowadays, everything is available online, from cooking to coding. The wonderful thing about online learning is that you can do it from the comfort of your own home and at your own speed. Here are the top 5 YouTube channels to watch if you want to learn coding by watching videos. FreeCodeCamp.org. This YouTube channel is one of the best YouTube channels to learn to code for beginners. People who have just gained some interest in coding and want to learn it from scratch can refer to the videos available on this YouTube channel. Traversy Media. For people who are looking for content around programming, this is the best option. Traversy Media offers a vast range of tutorials ideal for beginners and advanced learners. Edureka. This YouTube channel helps individuals learn about web development through their extensive videos which are available in different languages. Edureka covers a plethora of topics around programming, web development, and coding. Treehouse. Treehouse is the official website of TeamTreehouse.com which offers numerous lessons on topics like Python and C#. TheNewBoston. TheNewBoston YouTube channel has more than 2 million subscribers and is the most watched YouTube channel for learning programming languages. This YouTube channel was founded by Bucky Roberts.